Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Forza Horizon 5 game progress on your Xbox. So let's say, for instance, if you want to start over again, or if you're not happy with your progress and you want to restart the progress, you can simply do this. So all you have to do is power on your Xbox and access the homepage. And then from here, find Forza Horizon 5 and highlight on it. And then press the button with the 3 lines on your controller to reveal this menu. And then scroll down and select Manage Game and Add-ons. Now from here, scroll down and find the Save Data option and select it. And then now you'll see your profile, or rather find your profile and select it. And then from here, you'll be asked delete your profile saved data for Forza Horizon 5. So you can either choose delete from console or delete everywhere. So if you delete from console, it just basically delete your game progress from your console. But if you select delete everywhere, it will delete from the console and from the Xbox network. So choose the option you prefer. And once done, you can head back and then launch Forza Horizon 5 and it will start from scratch. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.